Click subscribe for update video every day.
As demand for both headphones and wireless audio devices reaches a fever pitch, it comes as little surprise that an amalgamation of the two has become the en vogue product for the consumer audio industry. Sol Republic's take on the genre. The Trax Air Bluetooth headphones, $200, add the company's own clever twist to the growing segment. The Air utilized the same near-indestructible polymer headband and signature modular design found in the rest of the Trax family, resulting in a distinct pair of wireless U2018 phones that blend style and utility like only Sol Republic can. Delivering a modular set of cordless cans at a manageable price is a pretty ambitious undertaking, especially for a company founded just 2 years ago. But Sol Republic got help with the Air thanks to its burgeoning partnership with tech giant Motorola, which has been working with Bluetooth tech since its inception. Still, overcoming the design obstacles at hand while delivering a sound people that folks want to listen to is a monumental undertaking for any team. We spent some time with the new Trax Air recently to see how they fared in the real world. Here's what we discovered. Right from the start, the Air struck a less elegant tone than our experience with Sol Republic, as refined yet rugged master tracks. As we removed the white, U-shaped headband and autonomous ear cups from their transparent display, the piece's all-plastic exterior felt less chic and solid. Sliding each earpiece up the headband created a jerky, squeaking motion, a far cry from the smooth, effortless glide we enjoyed when assembling the master tracks. But as we dug deeper, we discovered the ingenious design trait that makes these detachable wireless earpieces possible. Carved along the underside of the band are two strips of metal which make contact with terminals inside each earpiece. Clearly, these strips allow for transmission of both sound and power from the right earpiece, which contains a battery, and the bulk of the headphones' electronics, to the left side. Further in, we found a collection of accessories including a travel bag, a mini USB to USB charging cable, and a backup headphone cable in case the U2018 phones run out of juice. Apart from their freewheeling cordless design, the Air adheres strictly to Sol Republic's signature style, leaning closely to the company's basic Trax headphones. The ebony and ivory color scheme of jar, ice white,